Yes. Good morning, everybody. Today we will discuss the topic of inheritance, like how inheritance is useful. What is the topic of inheritance? That all points we try to understand. See, here you are talking about inheritance like this. Okay. What is the main purpose of inheritance? Inheritance is one of the principle of OOPS concepts. Like other principles everybody knows, like encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and then inheritance. The main benefit of inheritance is extendability, nothing but extension. People used to say the word inheritance is used for reusability purpose. No, that is wrong. Reusability is not the correct word using in case of inheritance. But you use that point of extendability or extension. Whenever there is extension, automatically reusability is possible. Okay, where there is no extension, there is no concept of reusability. For example, when you want to continue the intermediate, nothing but extension to 10th class, extension to 10th class, or otherwise after your 12th standard, you go for engineering degree. That is what? Extension. Whenever you go for extension in the engineering degree, while the classes are going on, you can able to reuse the knowledge of what? The 10th standard as well as what? 12th standard knowledge. So please observe, without extension, there is no use of reusability. That's why I request students as well as faculty members, do not say inheritance main purpose is reusability. No, that is wrong. Inheritance main purpose is extendability or otherwise extension. Where there is extension, chance of getting reusability. Okay, I give you one small example here, try to understand that. See, there is a particular building like this. Imagine that one. If this is the building, okay, like here, this is the building. Now, what is that one? It is the base. Okay, I mean to say that one what? The cellar or otherwise ground floor. Okay, I'm talking about what is that one? Base. Here is imagine that. Here is imagine that one. There is a first floor like this. There is a first floor. Okay, imagine that one. That is a cellar and this is the first floor. Okay, so what is that one? When sometimes in our houses, if you observe the terrace, some of the pillars are what? Just established like this. There is no particular slab or some other one, but pillars are established. Pillars are what? Already constructed half of the part and just leaving them. This is what? Please tell me what is this one? This is nothing but what is that one? Extension. Please try to understand. That is what extension. Whenever you go for extension, automatically I can able to reuse what is that one? What? The basement as well as what? First floor. If there is no extension, then what is the use of first floor slab and second floor slab? I mean base slab. There is no use. So requesting you, please tell like this. Okay. Next one. What is the subclass? For example, we used to tell child class, child class. What is the child class? Child class is nothing but extension to parent. Okay, child is what? Extension to parent. Our next generation. Next generation is what? Extension. Hence, our properties are reusing there. I mean to say that one, for example, kid is there. Like if I have a kid, then what? My properties, my face cards are some other one reusing in the face of what? Kid. So extension is there. Fine. So next one come down here. This inheritance topic introduced from. Okay, this inheritance topic introduced from C++. Okay, C++, and what is the next one? Java. Okay, the next one is what? Java, and the another one is what? .NET, like this. So we have to go for another one is, what do you say? .NET, like this. So anyhow, just try to find out that one. We concentrate on what is that one? We concentrate on Java as well as what? C++. Okay, we concentrate on, what do you say? Java and C++. Whenever you concentrate on C++ and Java, very simple to understand inheritance. Automatically .NET also understandable. Fine. First of all of you people come down to understand. Yes, first you come down C++. In C++, and some of the point I want to tell you, some people telling that one, without C++ knowledge also, you can able to learn Java or .NET. Yeah, I also accept that one. Without C++, you can directly go to Java or .NET. But the problem is, you are unable to understand the advantages as well as the concept completely. If you know C++, automatically you can understand Java in a easiest manner. Simple point is, if you know how to write the bicycle, automatically you can understand how to write the scooter or some other one. Directly you go to scooter without knowing the cycle or some other one, directly you go to scooter, then what happens? Chance of getting problems. So hence my point is what? Better to learn C++ or otherwise at least you try to listen some online tutorials. Okay, let's come. Let's come here. I want to say that one C++ inheritance. Okay, when you come down C++, okay, the inheritances are how many types and as well as what? How many levels of inheritances? That is a point you have to find out. Okay, so actually speaking that C++ supporting different types of inheritances as well as the levels of inheritances. Okay, I give you some clarity on what are those. Okay, let's have a look at that one. So now supporting C++ supporting, okay, types of inheritances. Number one is what? Single level. Number one is single level. What is a single level? Let's come down here. This is single level. Okay, let's check it out. There is a class A and here is what? Class B. Okay, most of the people drawing like this. Most of the people drawing such a way. That is what? A to B. But this is wrong. You have to draw like this. What is that one? What? A, and this is B, and here we have a UML symbol like this. Please observe, this is UML symbol and just what? Draw like this. That is correct. Why this is correct? Because B class is, please observe, B class is extension of what? A. Okay, that arrow mark is showing, this arrow mark, please observe, this arrow mark what showing? Babu, this B is extension of that. Okay, this B is extension of what is that one? Class A. That is why this is always correct. So in single level inheritance, one superclass and one subclass. But here I want to give you some other point in this case that is very simple. Please observe. According to C++ terminology, okay, parent classes are, okay, parent classes are called as, parent classes are called as, what is that one? Parent classes are called as either, what is that one? Base class, okay, try to understand that. According to C++, of course, Java is also there, but right now you just try to understand the point. Parent classes available in C++ as well as what? Java. In both areas, this is available. So, different terminologies are using in this case. Just try to find out that one. Parent classes are also called as base classes. Please observe. What is that one? Base classes. Base classes. Or you can say, what is that one? Generalized classes. Generalized classes. According to Java, that is what? Superclasses. According to Java, what is that one? Superclasses. Please try to find out. This is, please observe, this is what terminology? Please observe, this is what do you say? C++ terminology. Okay. And what about this one? This is what do you say? Please observe, this is what is that one? What? Java terminology. Just observe here. This is what is that one? What? We have to go for Java terminology, as simple as that. Okay. So next point. Coming down here, when you talk about, okay, when you are talking about the child classes, I have to go for what is that one? Child classes or called as, child classes are called as, what is that one? Derived, okay, derived classes, or what is that one? Specialized classes, okay, or you can say what is that one? What? Subclasses, like this. So anyhow, whatever it is. So after completion of this, you have to continue. That is what? Number one, single level. Number two, what is that one? What? Multi-level. Number two, what is that one? What? Multi-level inheritance. In this multi-level means what is that one? What? More than. What is the meaning of multi-level? More than one level. Please observe, more than one level. Try to understand. More than one level, like this. Okay, more than one level. What is the meaning of more than one level? I'll draw here and showing you like this. Please observe. Here is what? This is A. Okay, we have to go for, this is what is that one? What? B, and then what? C. Here what? Like this, and here also I am drawing like this. Please observe. This is one level and this is another level, like this. Okay, one level and what? Another level. In multi-level, what is that one? One superclass and one subclass at each level. Don't say that one superclass, two subclasses. No, that is wrong. That is wrong. What is that one? At this level, please observe, at this level, one superclass, one subclass. At this level, one superclass, one subclass. Hence, in multi-level, one superclass and one subclass at each level. Okay, one superclass and one subclass at each level. Then, what about the third one? The third one is, you have to go for, third one is what? Hierarchical. You have to go for, what do you say? Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. What is hierarchical inheritance? That is what? Like this. Please observe here, idea purpose, I'm just giving you all the points. There is what? A, and here is what? B, and what do you say? C, and next means what? D, like this. So then what is that one? We have to say like this. Okay, this one, okay, this one, and then what? This one, like this. Some people drawing like this. This is also correct. What is that one? Some people drawing like this. Okay, what is that one? See, such a way, and drawing like this. This is also correct, your wish. Whatever it is, this is what, like I have to go for, what do you say, B, and then what, C, and next one is what, D, like this. Both are correct. Your wish, whatever you want. But one parent, more than one child. One parent, more than one child. So do not confuse. And finish of this will give you the clarification here. Please observe in single level. In single level, what is that one? In single level, you have to observe like this. Okay, one super and one subclass. That's all. One super and one subclass. Here is what is that one? That is one super and one subclass at each level, like this, at each level. What about the hierarchical? Here, what is that one? Please observe here. I want to give you some clarity here. That is, what is that? One, please observe, one super. Okay, one super and more than one subclass. More than one subclass, as simple as that. So basing on that, we can able to continue more than one subclass like this. And number 4, we have to go. Number 4 is, what is that one? Multiple. I have to go for, what do you say? Multiple. These are types of inheritances. Okay, I have to give you like this. Just concentrate on this. These are what? Types of inheritances. Okay, inheritance types. Types of inheritances or inheritance types. What is that one? Multiple inheritance. In this multiple inheritance, what are those? I give you a clarity here like this. What is that? Here is a and what is the next one? Here is a B, like this. And here is a C. Now what does it mean? Here and drawing like this, and then what? Drawing like this. Just try to find out. What is that one? More than one parent or more than one super and one subclass. That is multiple inheritance. Let's come down here. I have to go for, yes, just check it out. What is that one? Please observe. More, what do you say? Please observe. More than one super, more than one super, and more than one super, and what is the next one? And one subclass, like this, one subclass. So as simple as that. Multiple inheritance. Next one is number 5. We have to go for number 5. What is that one? Number 5, hybrid inheritance. Please observe hybrid inheritance. What is a hybrid inheritance? Combination of any two inheritances called as hybrid inheritance. Best example, what is that one? What? Multi-level and hierarchical is what? Hybrid. Multi-level and multiple is what? Hybrid, whatever it is. Combination of any two. For Idea purpose will go like this. What is that one? C. This is A, and here is what? B, and here is what is that one? What? C. Like this. Okay. Now try to find out. Here I'm just drawing like this, and the next one is what? Drawing like this. Here once again I'm drawing such a way. This is what is that one? What? D. Like this. What is that one? This is, please observe, one type of inheritance, and this is another type of inheritances. Nothing but combination of multi-level and hierarchical. Combination of what do you say? Multi-level and what is that? Hierarchical. That is hybrid inheritance. Okay, in the same way, one more also there. That is, what is that one? C. In the same way, we can draw like this. What is that one? What? A. And what is that one? B. And next one is what? C. Here I draw like this D. Now, this is multi-level. Okay. This is what do you say? Multi-level. And now it is going like this. What does it mean? It is multi-level and it is what? Multiple, like this. So combination of any two inheritances called as hybrid inheritance. Okay, fine. Now you close like this and just what? Come down and drawing such a way. Please observe here my point here. Try to find out this. What I want to do here, I want to say combination of any two inheritances. Combination of any two inheritances called as what? Hybrid. And the last one is there. Last one is there. What is that one? Multipath. Last one is what do you say? Multipath inheritance. What is multipath? Simply telling that it is more than, it is what do you say? More than one path or more than one way is called as what? Multipath. Yes, multipath is what? Very simple here. Combination of hierarchical and multiple is multipath. Simply telling that one, imagine combination of hierarchical, and what? Multiple inheritances. It's a special type. That's the reason we are talking about separately. And don't feel that one multipath, hybrid, both are separate. Multipath also one type of hybrid inheritance. Do not confuse. Multipath also one type of hybrid inheritance. What about this one, boss? Please observe. Here I'm talking about what is that one? This is A, okay, and here is what? B, and now C. This is what do you say? D, like this. And now what I want to do such a way and drawing like this. Now problem starts. Now problem starts. Here is observe that one. Boss, this one is what? Please observe this one is what is that one? Hierarchical. A to B, A to C. That is hierarchical. But please observe this one. What is this? Please observe this. What is this one? Multiple. B and C. Subclass is what? D. So combination of hierarchical and multiple is a problem. What is the problem? Suppose, for example here, okay, for example, class A contains some data member or function or whatever it is. Class A contains one data member. Now here just try to find out. This is B and what? C. Here is what? D, like this. Now what happens here? Bus, the point is X variable copy comes to what is that one? One copy is coming to B and one copy is coming to C like this. Please observe. One copy coming to B and one copy coming to C. Because of the inheritance, the same copy comes to D, okay? And because of inheritance, same copy comes to D. Now, problem comes. What problem? D class is getting two copies of X variable. Same variable, two copies. Same variable, two copies. Then we are in confusion. I mean, that class is in confusion. Class D is in confusion. What confusion? Which copy, which copy has to take from the B class has to take a or C class has to take a. That is called as what? Ambiguity. Nothing but confusion. I repeat the point once again. X variable copy, variable or function or whatever it is. Okay, right now taking example is what? X variable or Y variable, whatever it is. That variable copy will be available to class B and will be available to class C. Sharing. What is that one? X variable will be sharing between B and C. The same copy is available to class D also. Same variable available to class D also. Okay, try to understand. Generally in the companies, generally in the software companies, your team leader told one particular work or one particular task. At the same time, project leader also came to you and just told one particular task. Ask her that one, immediately do it. Team leader also wanted one task and project leader also wanted another task at the same time. Now you are in confusion. Which work has to start? Because both people are important people. We are unable to understand what to do that moment. Okay, what to do that moment. Generally, this is called as ambiguity. Okay, this is called as, what do you say? Ambiguity. First of all, best example, when you talk about your heroes, I mean to say cinema movie heroes, when you're talking about, for example, Mahesh Babu, I mean to say that in what Mahesh Babu movie or Pawan Kalyan movie, means both are Bollywood actors, I mean Tollywood actors. Mahesh Babu as well as what Pawan Kalyan, both movies are released on the same day. The fans are in confusion. What? Either Mahesh Babu movie going or otherwise Pawan Kalyan movie going. They are in confusion. Which movie has to see at first? Just example purpose, nothing is there. So anyhow, whatever it is. Now, this ambiguity or confusion, is given a particular name. That name is called as diamond problem. That name is called as what? Diamond problem. Because A, B, C, D, all these are looking like diamond shape. That problem is called as, what is that one? Diamond problem. Okay. So please observe. I'm giving you the names here. I'm giving you the name here itself. Just observe that one. The first one is like what? Diamond problem. Okay. Diamond problem. Or you can say, what is that one? What? Deadly diamond. Deadly diamond problem. Okay, or otherwise one more is there, what? Dreaded diamond problem, like this. Dreaded diamond problem, anyone is same. Okay, dreaded diamond. So how to solve this problem? Most of the people feeling that one, multiple inheritance is a problem. No, boss. See, that's what today I'm taking the session here. Like, please observe that one. Actually, I used to go for YouTube videos very rarely because I feel that one that much is not necessary. But by observing the faculty knowledge as well as the students' knowledge, I felt so bad because in my office I used to go for interviews. I mean, whenever I'm taking the interviews, I felt so bad by listening the answers from the students. That is the reason I decided to give you the videos one by one, to improve the standards in the students, to improve the standards of the education, Java education. Okay, that is the reason I decided to start the videos. I request you, all of the students, please support me to give you the good knowledge. And moreover, I used to tell in my classrooms also, some particular professions are there. We cannot see them commercial way, like doctor as well as teacher. Particularly these two professions should not be going in a commercial way. But unfortunately, maximum faculty members going in a commercial way, like what? Fast track, super fast track, fast track, super fast track, or what is that one? What? 1 month core Java, 2 months core Java. Within 2 months, what can you understand? What can you know? So you are blaming yourself. Seriously telling that one, without knowledge, how can you get the job? So that is the reason. That is the reason I'm just ready to take the video sessions, so that please, if any kind of doubts, you please contact my office to clarify your doubts, or otherwise send your mails also. According to that, immediately we give you the response. So I remind you, boss, all of you people, multiple inheritance is not a problem in C++. Okay. I repeat you once again, multiple inheritance is not a problem in C++. Multiple inheritance is a problem in Java. That's all. Okay. Multipath inheritance is a problem in C++. But whereas there is no multipath inheritance in Java, of course, anything possible in Java by using interfaces. Anything is possible in Java by using interfaces, like inheritance or some other one, whatever it is. But the main concept is different. Interface main concept is different, boss. Please do not think it is for inheritance. Okay. Interface is not for inheritance purpose. Please observe my point. I repeat that once again, inheritance is not, interface is not for inheritance. Okay, na? Inheritance purpose is different. Whenever the chance comes to me, definitely I'll give you some other videos. But today, my point is to show you multiple inheritance in C++. In what way? Yes, now we are going to discuss that point. Listen carefully, okay? Chalo boss, just come down here and erasing all the things and just move on to that topic here. Let's wait. Okay, fine. I want to go for like this. Yes, let's come. Say this is what you say. I want to go for new. Okay, na? Now what is that one? Hash include, okay? And what I want to do is environment and editor, please. Syntax highlighting, you close this, say okay. Automatically color changing, watch that. I repeat point once again, options, environment, editor, syntax highlighting. If you click on this, automatically what happens? Normal is coming. If you don't know this one, I give you the clarity. Hash include iostream.h. Okay. Next, I have to go for what is that one? Look at that void main. Okay. Void main here and see out. What is that one? Hello. Okay. See out hello and close. These are nothing but what? Syntax highlighting. How to avoid the syntax highlighting? Because watchable is very trouble. Then I can go for what? Syntax highlighting removing. Then say okay. Look at that. Syntax highlighting going. Okay. Just chalo. Fine, this is not our requirement. We want to go for what is that one. See, try to find out here. See, removing this, everyone going to the class. First of all, we are going to the class itself, like what? Class A. Look at this, class A. What I want to do, there is a public, I'm going. Okay, I want to go for public like this and close. Next one, what I want to do here, boss, I want to say integer x, that's all, and close. Close this, put the semicolon. That is one of the class. There is one more class, that is what? Class B. Okay, class B. And what I want to do, there is a public like this and close. What is the next one? There also same variable, integer x variable, and close that one. Now, I request you all of you people, class A and class B is what? Class A and class B both are parent classes. Now what I want to do, boss, I want to go for class C. I want to go for, what do you say? Class C. So based on the class C, we'll be continuing. Okay. So class C, and according to C++, colon is the colon, not semicolon, colon. Colon is the indication of inheritance. Whereas in Java, extends keyword. Please do not confuse. According to C++, colon is the colon symbol. Colon symbol is the indication of inheritance. Whereas in Java, extends keyword is the indication of what? Inheritance. So please observe. The extends keyword is telling. What is that one? Extends. Babu, subclass is the extension of superclass. The extends keyword is directly telling you, boss. Then how can you say it is reusability? No. Inheritance is for extension. That's what in the beginning itself I remind you. Inheritance is not for reusability, please. Okay, anybody is arguing with me, then I'm straight away asking you question, what is the meaning of extends keyword in Java? Extends means what? Extension. A subclass is the extension of what? Superclass. And moreover, please observe, always left side is subclass, child class. Always right side is parent class. Okay, child class is the extension of parent class. So what I want to do, there is a public of what? A, comma, and what I want to do, public of what? B. Now please remember, class C is a child class, A class and B class both are what? Parent classes. So what is that one? It is nothing but multiple inheritance. It is nothing but multiple inheritance. Now what I want to do, simply I close that. I'm not doing anything. Simply I close that one. Public of A, public of B. Public inheritance. When this is completed, I'll go for what? Void main, like this. I go for, what do you say? Void main. Now close this. Okay, na? Void main. Now straight away come to the execution. Okay. So what I want to do, boss, C of what? C1, like this. C of C1. What I want to do, C1 dot X is equals to 10. I want to initialize like this and close. Then you try to compile, look at that. What is that one? There is an error. There is an error. What is the error here? Look at that one. Member is ambiguous. Member means what? Data member. So or member function, data member or member function, whatever it is. Member is ambiguous. What is the member? Babu, a class contains variables and functions. Variable and function both are what? Members of the class. That is the reason it is given as what? Member is ambiguous. Okay. Next, how to solve this one? Please, I give you the clarity here. Look at that. Try to observe here. That is what? Scope resolution operator. Now, compile. Happy. It's warning. It's not a problem. Warning. Next one is what is that one? Look at here. C1 dot B. Scope resolution operator. X is equal to what? 20. Like this. Now, if you want, I can go for C out. C out, what is that in what? A class X value is, A class X value is, what is that one? C1 dot A scope operator of what? X, like this. Okay. C out, I have to go for, what is that one? What? B class. B class X value. B class X value is, and what is that one? What? Okay. C1 dot B scope operator of what? X, like this. And try to compile. Look at that one. 100% success. Now execute this one. Yes, executed. And see the output. Look at that one. A class X value is what? 10. B class X value is what? 20. Now, what is the problem of multiple inheritance in C++? Okay. What is the problem of multiple inheritance in C++? Okay, you feel that one, you feel that what? Diamond problem. Okay, that X variable, this X variable problem is coming, diamond problem. Okay, somebody feeling like that. Sir, class A containing one X variable, class B containing another X variable. So all these X variables are coming to class C, then it is a diamond problem. Okay, for your wish, okay, then it's accepted. But actual diamond problem comes in C++ from multipath inheritance. Multipath inheritance. So the multiple inheritance in C++ solved like this. Scope operator using, scope resolution operator using, we solved the problem. But whereas in Java, there is no other alternate way. That is the reason Java not supporting, because in Java there is no scope operator. If scope operator is there, some advantage or otherwise some other solution. But in Java, there is no scope operator. Hence, Java not supporting multiple inheritance. Whereas C++ supporting multiple inheritance, whereas C++ overcoming diamond problem like this. Okay. When you talk about multi-path inheritance, that scenario different, that concept different. There, the topic is what? Virtual functions or virtual classes. Like that, we can continue. Okay. So before closing the session, I want to give you some clarity. What is that? C++ overcoming the diamond problem. Okay, C++ overcoming the diamond problem by using scope operator. By using what? Scope operator. Okay, na? By using scope operator. Whereas in Java, multiple inheritance diamond problem, solution purpose, Java people introduced another alternate approach, that is what? Interfaces. Okay. Interfaces main purpose is different, as well as there is a bonus benefit is what? Inheritance. You cannot say interfaces are for inheritance purpose. No. Interfaces are for what? Some other purpose, but benefit also is what is that one? Inheritance. Best example I tell you that one. What is the purpose of education? The purpose of the education is getting good knowledge. Of course, you can get the job and you can get the money also. That is benefits, bonus something. But education main purpose is getting the good knowledge to become a good person. Then automatically you can apply for job and you can apply for whatever it is. Okay, so I request you, please concentrate like this. Now, after completion of this concept, I would like to give you the clarity on multipath inheritance. Please, I want to close this point. Here I just come down here like this. Come down. Just removing everything. So I have to go for what do you say, cut like this, closing. Look at that one, boss. Class A. What I want to do, there is a class B, multipath inheritance. This is also diamond problem here. If you feel multiple inheritance has a diamond problem, in the same way, multipath inheritance also having what? Diamond problem. But their solution is scope resolution operator. Here solution is entirely different. Okay, please observe that point. So once again, I just give you the clarity here, class B colon, and what I want to do here is what? Public of what? A, like this, and close, that's all. Automatically what happens? X variable sharing. X variable coming, no doubt. Next, what is that one? What? Class of C, what do you say? Colon. I have to go for what is that one? What? Public of what? A. Look at that. Now this is what is that one? What? Boss, this is nothing but what? Hierarchical inheritance. This is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. I mean to say one level. One more level I want to go. What is that one more level? Like this. What is that one? What? Class of what? D. Okay. Colon. I have to use what is that one? What? Public of what? B. Comma. What is the next one? What? Public of what? C. Like this. And finally you can close it. That's all. Finally, you can close like this, class of D, public of B, public of C. Now, what is this? This is nothing but what? Multiple inheritance. This is nothing but what? Hierarchical inheritance. So, combination of hierarchical and multiple is a problem. Okay. Next, what to do? Boss, please observe here. What is that one? What? Void of what? Main. Void of main like this, and you can create the object. What is that one? What? D of D1 like this. And a D1 dot, please observe here. What is that one? What? D1 dot X is equal to 10. See, previous example, this example, please observe. Previous example, what? Class A has X variable, class B has X variable. Two different copies there. That is the reason we are using scope operator there. But here, there is no two different variables, only one variable. Please observe the change between the previous example and this example. Shall I repeat once again? Yes, listen. In the previous example, class A has X variable, class B has another X variable. So, that X variable different, this X variable different. Confusion, huh? Simple point is what? My nose is different, your nose is different. You have nose, I am also having nose. Or I am also having mouth, you also having mouth. Okay, my mouth different, your mouth different. Like that, X variable copy of class A X variable copy different, class B X variable is different. Then we can go for scope operator. No problem. But here the story different. What is that one word? You and me both are having same mouth. Idea purpose here. Idea purpose, I'm giving this example. Just try to understand. Okay. Simple point. Simple point. If you want one more example, in real life, so many examples I can give you. What is that one? You have one pen, I have one pen. So both are different. But right now is what is that one? You and me both are containing same pen. That is the issue. Previously, you take your pen, you write it. I take my pen, I write it. No problem. But now, you and me both are taking same pen, writing. There is a problem. So this is another style of what is that? What? Diamond problem. This is another style of diamond problem. When two copies are there, I mean two different copies are there, scope operator. When same copy is there, virtual keyword. Please. I repeat once again. In the previous example, two copies, class A copy, class B copy, two different copies. Two different copies, solution purpose, scope operator. But here, same copy. Class B and class C both are sharing the same copy. So to overcome this same copy, we are using virtual keyword. So now try to compile this. What happens? See this one. Look at that. Errors. Here is what is that word. Once again, member is ambiguous. Whatever the previous example error, this example error, both are same. Both are same. But the situation is different. Okay, na? But the situation is different. As simple as that. How to solve this one? Okay, how to solve this? The point is just observe here. Look at that. All of you people here is what is that word? Okay, try to find out this. I have to go. Try to find out this one. What do you say? Like what? B. Okay, na? So try to find out my point. Here is what? B. Scope operator. Actually, this is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. Please try to find out. See, that never used. Okay, we can go for execution purpose, not a problem. Look at that. D1 dot C scope operator X is equal to 20, like this. Seriously observe. Same type previous example I'm giving you, but observe here. What is that one? C out. What is that one? What? B class X value is what? I have to go for what is that one? What? D1 dot B scope operator X. That's all. Next one, what? C out of what is that one? Yes, I have to go for what? C class X value is what is that one? I have to go for what? D1 dot C scope operator X, like this, and put the semicolon. Okay, fine. After completion of this, close the program and compile this one. Yes, no errors, close. Yes, once again happy, and just what? Check out here. What is that one? Previous example output, remember, A class X value 10, B class X value 20. Okay, and C here is what? This is B class X value is what? 10, and C class X value is 20. Okay, now see, observe here. A class X value is 10 and B class X value is 20. That is previous program output. But what about this program output? B class X value is 10, C class X value is 20. Just come back here. Look at this one. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? Previous one we solved by using what is that one word? Scope operator. In this concept, of course, you are using scope operator, but apart from this, we can go for the next topic called as virtual, like this. What do you say? Virtual, like this. See, try to find out here. This is what do you say? Virtual. I'm giving like this, virtual. And in this case, virtual. In this case, virtual. Now, what is that one? When these are over, then what? Compile this one. Yes, no errors. Of course. I request you people, do not confuse. I give you like this here. You know very well what is that one word? CLR, SCR. That is what? Clear the screen. Clear the screen function where available? Clear the screen function available in that hash include. Okay. Hash include, what is that one? Con io.h, like this. Okay. Con io.h, and just what? Close. Yes, close like this, and you try to compile. Yes, no errors, and then what? Execute and see the output. What is there? Look at that one. B class X value 20, C class X value 20. I hope so. All of you students getting the idea. That is what is that one. Whenever you write virtual keyword, then this keyword is telling that one, do not give two copies, please give only one copy. Either C class or B class or whoever it is, Please give only one copy. Do not give two copies. Okay, that is the concept of what? Virtual keyword. Okay, now please observe here. The virtual keyword is provided here itself. What? Look at that one. This is virtual keyword and this is virtual keyword. What is the meaning of virtual keyword? This virtual keyword telling to class A. What is that one? Please do not give one copy to class B, one copy to class C. Don't give like that. Please give only one copy. Only one copy, they give it. Both can be sharing, as simple as that. Previously, what happens? Two copies are available. Previously, what? Two copies are available, and here only one copy is available. So, please observe. This is the concept of virtual keyword. Virtual keyword, still it is confusion. Please try to clarify. Virtual keyword purpose is what? Virtual keyword purpose is do not give two copies. Please give only one copy to both classes. Either Bina, Sina, whatever it is. Either Bina, Sina, your wish. But only one copy. What about the scope operator? Scope operator means what? Two copies are there. Here is only one copy. That is a point. Okay. So we reveal the entire topic bus. Please observe. Okay, now finally we conclude the point. Please go through the program once again. Class A integer, public A and D, and now just coming down like this. If you want, no sir, like this, please observe here. I want to go for C and I want to go for B. Your wish boss, not a problem. Compile and execute. Now see this. Yes, whatever it is. Okay, both are same. Okay, now what is the purpose of virtual keyword? Virtual keyword is telling to class A, Babu, class A, do not give two copies. Please give only one copy to either C class or B class, whatever it is. Do not give two copies. If two copies are there, I can go for scope operator. Okay, finally, that is a point. Next one. What are the uses of virtual keyword? Virtual keyword main purpose is two ways. Number one, class level. Number two, function level. Okay. Number one is what? Class level. Yes, right now look at this one. What? This is what level? We used it at class level. Yeah, beside the class we are using. Please watch that one. See, this is what? Class level. So, this example also called as what? Virtual inheritance. Multipath inheritance also be called as virtual inheritance. Virtual keyword can be used in two ways. Number one, class level. Number two, function level. Number two, what? Function level. Listen carefully. Okay. Chalo, if class level is completed, I have to go for function level. Please observe. But as usual, boss, like what? Hash include. Okay. Then what is that and what? iostream.h like this. And hash include, what is that and what? stdio.h like this. Sorry, conio. What is that one? conio.h like this. Finish. Okay, now. What is the another point? The point is what, Babu? As usual, class A. Here I want to go for like this. What is that and what? Public. Okay. We have to go for public and void of what? Show. Now writing like this. What is that and what? Cout. What is that and what? Hello. I am. Okay. Base class show. Close it. Close this. Close. Okay, na? This is what? Class A. We have to go for what is that in what? Class B. Colon. What do you want? That is what? Public of what? A, like this. Public of A. Next one is we have to go for there is a public and using what is it and what void of show, same method and modification. But everybody knows that one. This concept is called as method overriding or function overriding. Whenever superclass method, subclass method signature both are same, then it is said to be overriding. I mean, whenever you are modified, that is called as what? Overriding. Simply telling that one, superclass method, I mean to say parent class method, redefined, I mean to say modified, re-implemented. Yes, right now I'm doing re-implementation. I'm changing, I'm doing modification. That is called as what? Overriding. Okay, na? Superclass method changed in subclass. Superclass method changed in subclass. In technical way, how can you say that one? Superclass method redefined, re-implemented in subclass. So, what is that and what? Look at that. Here is what is that. Some people asking like this, what? Sir, this is also overriding, na? 100% overriding. This is also overriding. Okay. Of course, I'm not providing any implementation. Body is empty. Okay. Curly braces are there. Superclass has some implementation. Subclass has no implementation. It's modification. Understand? My point is clear. So I'm going to change the modification. Now, this is also overriding and this is also overriding. Right now I'm changing. Yes, I have to go for what? See out. See out, I'm giving you. Yes, what is that one? What? Yes, child class show. Base class show, child class show. Okay, semicolon. If you want, I give you like this. Base is okay. If you want, I can go for parent like this. Parent. Okay, na? Parent class show method. Child class show, parent class show. Okay, na? Close. Yes, close like this. That's all. Sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yes. Now get down. Close it. That's it. Please observe. Now what is this method? Yes, boss. This method is what method? Overriding method. Overriding method like this. Overriding method. Okay, na? When all these are completed, we are going for what I want to do. Void of main. Okay. Void of main like this. And here is what is that one? A of A1. Okay, na? A of A1. Please observe. And one more point here, boss. Anybody wants to understand this topic, compulsory they have to know the object assignments and how to call the overriding methods. Compulsory you have to get this idea, otherwise this program is not understanding. The people who knows overriding, inheritance, all the topics, if you know, you please go through this one, because in the main method I am using object assignments. For you people understanding purpose, I tell you one point. Overriding, method overriding, Babu, constructor overriding not possible, only method overriding is possible in Java. Okay, I'm talking about Java. Constructor overriding not possible and method overriding is possible. Method overriding purpose, there are 4 rules are provided. Number 1, function calling rules. Number 2, object assignment rules. Number 3, CTTI, compile time type identification. Number 4, RTTI, runtime type identification. If you understand these 4 rules, easily understanding the topic of overriding and abstract methods. Easily understanding the topic of what do you say? Abstract methods. Seriously observe. And now here, what is that? Please observe. What do you say? A1 dot, what is that one? What? Show, like this. A1 dot show. What is the next one? B of B1. Next one, what do you say? B1 dot show. Okay. Then people feeling that one program working. Yes, yes, program working, not a problem here. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Here, one more. Yes, this one. Hmm? Compile this and then what? Execute. Yes, I accept. What is that and what? Parent class show method, child class show method, like this. Compile, execute, and see the output. Hello, I am parent class show, child class show. What is that one? Class A calling show method, class B calling its show method. This is not overriding code here, please. This is not overriding code. That class calling that method, this class calling this method. This is not the concept of overriding. Then what is overriding? That is what? Supertype handling subtype. Supertype handling subtype. What is that one? Babu, like this. Please observe. Please observe like this here. What is that one? What? A1 is equal to B1. This is correct. Okay. But in this session, in this video class, I am unable to explain why A1 is equal to B1 or some other one. Because in the next video session, I can explain you what is the benefit of object assignment, what is the benefit of abstract methods. First of all, what is that concept? Overriding benefit is what? Without knowing overriding benefits, you try to understand the topic, it is waste. Yes, anybody who is watching this video, please ask your friends, what is the benefit of overriding? Why should we go for overriding? Can you show me in real life anywhere overriding? Okay, na students? Okay, na boss? Please. So many people, according to like one survey, in Amirpet or otherwise, in Amirpet, Hyderabad or otherwise some other areas, thousands of people learning the Java. Not only Java, .NET, C++, thousands of people are learning that one. But all of them, I'm asking you only one straight question. Do you know what is overriding? What is the use of overriding in real life? Yes, in real life, show me overriding benefit. Think of that. Please don't tell me that one class A, class B, that method, this method. Okay, you're not understanding all this. If you try to explain the topic in a general terminology, yes, did you recognize any overriding concept in your real life? In real life, overriding concept, what is the benefit of overriding in real life? You have to understand all these here. I asked so many people when they come for interview, because for my company, so many people came for interview purpose. Myself taking the Java interview. That time I'm asking that what is the benefit of overriding? Simply everybody telling what is that one, what? Book knowledge. Superclass method, redefined in subclass, it is overriding. Babu, correct. What is the use of that in real life? Can you show me anywhere overriding in real life? Because oops what? Oops, what is that one? Oops is nothing but what? Real life concepts here. And do you know that one? Generally people used to write how oops, even that point also most of the people don't know. Most of the people don't know this point also. What is that one? Just I give you the clarity. Wait a moment here. See, just try to find out here. I'm just giving you like this. And try to observe. This one, leave it here. I give you one small point. Look at that one. Of course, most of my students already know this point, but I'm asking you, the students, listen carefully. Look at that. When we want to write oops, OPS, okay, OPS, and OOP, yes. Next one is what? OPS. Next one is what? OOP, apostrophe, yes. And next one is what? OOP, yes. Which is correct? Even this point also people, most of the people don't know that one. What is that? Which is correct? Can you think of that one? Which is correct? First, second, third, which is correct? Okay, maximum people, different answers are giving. Some people telling like this. What is that one? Object-oriented programming structure. Some people call it as what? Object-oriented programming system. Okay, Babu, first you get correct knowledge. Even faculty members also not giving this idea. Straight away start oops. No. What is oops here? Being a teacher, if you are not giving the clarity to your student, what about the student will do in real time? Unfortunately, if the student is becoming a faculty or lecturer in college, what about? Half knowledge is going. Half knowledge is more dangerous than anything else. So now tell me that one. What is OPS? No. This is correct here. Please observe. This is correct. Object-oriented programming, that's all. Please do not add any abbreviated form to the S. S is for what? S is for plural, just like boy, boys, chair, chairs, like that. It's a plural form. What is OOP? Babu, OOP depending on so many rules. Please observe, so many rules. What is that? Encapsulation, abstraction, class, object, what? Typecasting, dynamic binding, so many principles are there. So many concepts are there. Please observe, concepts. Yes, that S indication, plural. S indication is what? Plural. So that this is correct here. Please observe. That is indication of what? Plural. Please. But up to this one, we have abbreviated form, object-oriented programming. That's all. Up to that one, abbreviated form. We don't have any abbreviated form to the S. Okay. Remaining all are what? Waste. Please, if you want to write, please write like this only. That's what my suggestion to all of you people. Go in a proper way. In your engineering degree or some other one, you are not getting the correct knowledge. Okay, so students don't have time. Of course, faculty also don't have time to teach good knowledge to the students. Okay, now come down. Here you observe here, boss. Look at that. Yes. Come down here and just check it out. Come down here, boss, and we'll go like this. What I want to do, we have to go for such a way. Yes, just come on. Yes, okay. Now this is wrong. But what is that one? A1 is equal to B1. This is what called, Babu, this is called as object assignment. This is called as what? Object assignment. Here what is that one? There is no B1 dot show. There is what? A1 dot show. In the next video I clear all the points. Don't worry about it. A1 dot show. Boss, please observe. Here statement same, A1 dot show. Here also statement same, A1 dot show. A1 dot show and A1 dot show. Same statement. Now see the output. Success and see the output here. Look at that. Hello, I am parent class show. Hello, I am parent class show. That is, no, this output is not correct. Then what is that one? Yes. But in Java, if you write the same program as it is, 100% correct. Yeah, 100% working. But in C++, you have to do some other work. What is that one? A1 comma star PTR like this. Okay. So next one is what is that one? ptr is equals to ampersand a1 like this. Okay, na? ptr is equal to, what do you say, ampersand a1. Then what I want to do, ptr arrow mark like this, because I'm using pointers. And now here also, what is that one, please observe, ptr is equals to, pointer is equals to ampersand, okay, ampersand b1. Yes, b1 address is assigned. Once again I have to go for what, ptr pointer, and just what, close arrow operator, that is called as what, arrow operator. Now using this one also, what is happening, just watch, look at that one, same output or different output, tell me, same output or different output, same output. Now how to solve this problem means like this boss, please observe, like this. What is that in what, virtual, please observe. But what is the virtual keyword here? That virtual keyword telling to compiler, do not depending on class type, please depending on object address, nothing but pointer address. This virtual keyword telling to compiler, Babu, please do not depending on type of the pointer, please depending on address of the pointer. That is why, see the output, previous output and this output you observe, and see this one, what happens, look at that. If anybody don't know what happened here, anybody don't know what happened here, this point here, this point, anybody don't know all these points, I will explain very clearly, listen carefully. Okay, na? Listen carefully, please observe us. See, remove all the things, and here is what is that and what, a of a1 comma star ptr. What is that? A of a1 comma star ptr, as simple as that, star ptr. Now what does it mean, boss? A1 type is what? Okay, if you not able to understand this, I'll give you the clarity like this. Okay, just come down. A of what? Once again I'm giving you A of like this. Okay, anybody wants to get that clarity, I'll give you like this. What is that one? A1 type is what? A type. A class type. A1 type is A class type. This pointer type is what? Babu, pointer type is what? A type A. Please observe. Always left side is type of the object or type of the variable. Look at that one here. Why did you get the confusion? Look at that one, what? Int int. Okay. Int A is equals to, like this, what? Please observe. I'm giving you int A. Int A like this. What is the A variable type? A variable type is what? Integer. A variable type is what? Integer. In the same way, A1 variable type is what? A1 is a variable right now, or otherwise A1 is an object, your wish. A1 is a variable or A1 is an object, whatever it is. A1 type is A. Suppose, for example, I'm writing like this here. Just wait a moment. I'm writing like this. What is that one? What? Animal. Okay, tiger. Now, tiger type is what? See, this is tiger is object. Tiger type is what? Animal type. Okay. Suppose I'm writing like this. What is that one? What? Okay. Please observe. Person. Okay. I'm writing like this, my name, like this, Ramreddy. Ramreddy type is what? Person. Okay. So that's why always please observe, type is coming here, left side. Okay, na? Type is coming left side. Today onwards, you remember that point. Okay. Let's come on. Okay, na? Let's come on. See, after completion of this, everyone, we have to go for PTR is equals to ampersand A1. Ampersand A1. What does it mean? A1 object address assigning to PTR. Okay, na? A1 object address assigning to PTR. Now please understand, this is PTR here, pointer. Okay, na? Pointer. Pointer type is what? Pointer address is what? Okay, imagine this is a mode type. Imagine that box I'm providing you, and this box I'm providing you. What is that one? What? Babu, type always left side, address is always bottom side. Left side emo called as a type. See, if anybody knows this point successfully, perfectly, JDBC, Hibernate, Struts, Spring, everything is easy. Okay, na? So PTR type is what? PTR type is A. PTR address is what? Babu, PTR address is what object address? A1 object address. Huh? So what is that one? Yes, here I want to go for PTR is ampersand of what? A1. Okay, sorry. A1 of what is that one? What? Show like this. What does it mean? Right now PTR calling what? If you are not writing virtual, okay, na? If you are not writing virtual, please observe, if you are not writing virtual, PTR depending on what? Type only. That is what type? A type. That is the reason you are getting superclass method. Okay? Yes. After completion of this, I would like to go for, okay, after completion of this, I would like to go for, what is that one? What? Uh, B of B1. Yes, B1 object created. Okay, na? B of B1, what is that one? B1 object created. What is that? PTR is equals to ampersand B1. Okay, B1 address is assigned. Next one is, what is that one? What? PTR ampersand, PTR arrow mark show. Now tell me what is that one? Yes, yes, yes. Now tell me here, what is that? The point is, what is that one? Yeah, here my concept is PTR type not changed. Please observe, okay? PTR type is what? Still A. Look at that, look at that, look at this, look at this. Please observe. PTR type is what? A. But PTR what address containing? PTR address is what address, boss? B1 address. Here what address? A1 address. Okay, na? Now, if you don't write virtual keyword, it is depending on type of the class. Okay. It is depending on what? Type of the class. Whenever you write virtual keyword, it is depending on what? Address. Okay, na? It is depending on address. That's what. Do not confuse. By default in C++, class type will be executed. I repeat the point once again. By default in C++, class type will be considered. Whenever you write virtual, then address is considered. Okay. Then what is that one? Address is considered. Whenever you write virtual keyword. Whenever you write virtual keyword, address is considered. So, because of this, boss, because of this, what happening? Yes, 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 come down here. Babu, because of this one, please observe the point. Yes, let's check it out. Okay, na? Because of this, you compile this program. You compile this and then what? Execute. See this one. Right now what? First one name parent class, second one name child class. I request you, please remove virtual keyword. Please remove virtual keyword. Okay? There is no virtual keyword. Then what happens? Compiler is thinking depending on class type. So class type is what? A only. Hence A function executed. Okay, na? If virtual keyword you removed, what happens? It is depending on the class type. Okay. If you write virtual keyword, then what? It is depending on what is that one? Please observe. It is depending on what? Object address. Now come down. Come down here, boss. All of you people. What is the benefit of virtual keyword? Virtual keyword benefit is do not depending on class type. Please depending on object address. Please depending on what do you say? Object address. So finally, I want to give you some conclusion. What is that one? Virtual keyword is provided in two ways. Number one, class level. Number two, function level. Okay. Babu, this is function level here. Please observe. This is function level. Function level means what? Inside the class. Class level means what? Beside the class writing. Okay. Beside the class writing. That's nothing else. What is the class level virtual keyword? Class level virtual keyword is what? Do not give two copies, give only one copy. Okay, na? Class level virtual keyword benefit is what? Do not give two copies, please give only one copy. What is the function level virtual keyword? Function level virtual keyword is very simple. That is, what is that one? Do not depending on class type, please depending on object address or pointer address. That's all. Now finally come to conclusion, boss, all of you people. Let's come down. Here is what, okay? Yes, I give you the clarity here. Look at this one, what? Virtual keyword. Virtual keyword. Virtual keyword can be used in two ways. Can be used in two ways. Number one, what is it? What? Class level. Number one, class level. Anybody wanted an example like this here? Class of what? B colon. I have to go for what? Public virtual of what? A. Like this. This is example. Next one, what is that one? What? Number two. What is that? I have to go for function level like this. Function level. What is the example here? I'm writing class A. There is what? Simple point I want to write. This is what you say public. I have to go for virtual void show like this. That's all. And close, close. Okay, na? That is what? Function level. Okay. So what is this one? Class level virtual keyword, what doing? Telling to superclass, okay, and telling to superclass, do not, okay, what is that? Do not give two copies. Do not give two copies to subclasses. Do not give two copies to two subclasses. Please, I mean to say that in what? Okay, provide only one copy. That's all. Provide only one copy. Okay, na? This is what is that one? Telling to compiler. Yes, telling to compiler, do not depends on class type, comma, depends on address of what? Object or what do you say? Pointer like this. This is the concept of what? Virtual keyword. Now now please observe here, my point is, look at that one. Once again I give you virtual, please observe virtual functions in C++. Virtual functions in C++, what is that and what? Implemented functions or defined functions. Implemented functions or defined functions. Please do not confuse. Look at this one. This is implemented function or defined function. Okay, na? Now, finally, I give you one clarity here. Just try to understand. What is that one, boss? Please observe here. I want to go for like this. This class here, some other one, whatever it is. Now, entire one I just wanted to remove. I give you real life example. Just watch. Real life example I want to give you. Watch that one. See. Class. What is that? Animal. Class animal we are going. Okay, now next what I want to do, public. Public of what? Void of what? Sound. Because every animal is doing sound. Every animal is doing sound. I request you, all of you people, what sound is given by animal? Confusion, na? What sound is given by animal? That is what? Roaring or some other one, some other one. Cow sound coming, lion sound coming, tiger sound coming, deer sound coming, parrot sound coming. What sound coming? So we cannot able to explain. That's the reason I'm writing see out. What is that and what? Okay. Giving sound. That's all. Giving sound. Because I don't know what to implement there. Suppose, for example, if I write like this, what is that one word? Giving, what is that? Roar. Giving roar. Huh? This is not correct. Giving roar. This is not correct. Because it is suitable to only tiger or tiger or lion or some other one. It is not suitable to parrots. Okay. It is not suitable to cow. That's why it's not correct. So what is that one? I can write like this only. That's all. Finally, I give you the conclusion. Okay, na? Closing this. Closing this. Class tiger. Class tiger. What is that one? Public of animal. Like this. Public of what I want? Animal. Okay, na? Class tiger. Public of animal. After completion of this, I want to go for public. Yeah, boss, I'm going for overriding, no doubt, because sound changed, implementation changed here. Okay, implementation changed or redefined. What is that one? Sound, see out, what is that one? What? Roar, like this. Close. Close this one, close. Okay, na? Close this. That's all. That's all, boss. Class animal, class tiger. Next one is one more class here. One more class I'm writing. Class COW cow. Okay. COW cow. And what is that one? Public of, what do you say? Animal. Okay. Public of animal, and just coming down here, that is what? Public once again. Yeah, boss. Hierarchical inheritance. Don't feel that one. Cow is under tiger. Wrong. Cow is under animal. Once again, I want to go for void of sound, redefined. Redefined here. Next one is, what is that one word? See out, like this. I have to go for what? Please observe. Okay, close and then close. That's all. Please observe. There are three classes. One is animal, one is tiger, one is cow. Chalo. What is that? Void of main, like this. Void of main and closing. You go for animal of what? A. Okay, you go for animal of what is that one? A, like this. I created the object animal of A. Okay, now animal of A. Next one, A dot, what is that? Sound. A dot sound, correct. Then what is that one? Tiger of what? T. I had to go for what? T dot sound. T dot sound. Okay. Next, T. I think so. T is capital. Okay, tiger. Finally, what is that one? I have to go for what? Cow of what? C. Then what? C dot, what is a sound? Like this. That's all. And finish. Now, this is not overriding concept here. This is not overriding concept, or this is not the correct program. This is not the correct program, because animal calling a animal sound, tiger calling tiger sound, cow calling cow sound. This is not correct. What is the reason? We'll see in the next sessions. But today, what I want to do, I have to do like this. What is that one? A is equals to T. So A dot sound. Next one, what is that? Here also I have to go for A is equals to what? C. Like this, that's all. Then once again what? A dot sound. Because superclass handling subclass. Superclass handling subclass. Now after completion of this, compile error, sir. What is that one? What is the error? Statement missing. Semicolon missing, yeah. So now save this and write what? Compile, execute. What is that one? Yeah, please. I have to go for CLR, SCR like this and close, close. Come back. Giving sound, giving sound, giving sound. So this is not correct. But what should I do? I have to go for comma star PTR. Okay, na? Star PTR. Next one is what? PTR is equals to ampersand A. Next one, PTR arrow mark like this. Once again, I want to go for PTR is equals to ampersand T. Tiger object is assigned. What is that? PTR arrow tiger. Here also, what is that one? What PTR is equals to ampersand C. Address is assigned. Ampersand means what? Address assigned in C++. PTR arrow mark like this. Babu, please don't forget pointer type is what? What is the pointer type? Babu, pointer type is what type? Animal type. Okay, na? Here PTR type is animal. Here PTR type is animal. Here PTR type is animal. Here PTR address is what? Tiger. Here PTR address is what? Cow. But when you execute this program, see this what happens. See this what happens. Same thing. That's why I have to go for what is that one? Babu, do not depending on class type. Please depending on what? Object address. Compile, execute, and see this. Sound, roar, and then what? Amba. So, what is the virtual keyword? Virtual keyword telling to compiler, please depending on object address. Please depending on object address. Okay, now tell me that one. Virtual keyword is what? Virtual function. This is called as what? Virtual function here, please. That function is what function? Virtual function. So, virtual functions are what? Defined functions or implemented functions. Seriously concentrate all of you students here. Really seriously you concentrate. What is the use of sound function there? Virtual wide sound. What is the use of the sound function? We implemented. What is the use of that implementation? No use, ga. Okay, there is no use at all. That's why my suggestion is, Babu, do not provide anybody. Please tell to compiler, Babu, nobody, like this. Nobody, and put semicolon. That equal to 0, what telling? That equal to 0 is telling to compiler, function is there but no body. Okay, na? So, this type of virtual functions are called as pure virtual functions. Okay, na? This type of functions are called as what functions? Pure virtual functions. Why pure virtual function? Because I want action, but I don't want implementation. Sometimes wanted. Sometimes like that wanted. I want function, but I don't want action. I don't want implementation. When you don't want implementation, please provide like this 0. That 0 is indication of what? No implementation. Hence, these type of functions are called as what functions here? Pure virtual functions. Okay, na? Pure virtual functions. Anybody asking you, what is the difference between virtual function and pure virtual function? You can say, virtual functions are defined functions. Pure virtual functions are non-defined functions. Clear? Virtual functions are defined. Pure virtual functions are what? Non-defined. Okay. So, I request you, all of you people, concentrate like this. Virtual functions are defined or implemented functions. Pure virtual functions are non-defined functions. Okay. So, let's come. One beautiful point I just tell you like this. Try to find out. One beautiful point I want to explain you. Just try to concentrate like this. Please watch that one. Please watch that. Leave this, all these you leave it. All these you leave it, just leave it. And concentrate here. Animal of A. Animal of A is there. Please concentrate and close. Yes, look at that one. Look at the keyword here. Look at the keyword. Cannot create instance of what? Abstract class. Babu, Java people, Java students, please remember, please understand. Java students, please remember and please understand. Abstract class topic is not a new topic in Java. It is coming from C++. The same topic carry forward to Java. This point, maximum students, not only students, even faculty members also don't know. Okay, you feel that one abstract class is a new topic in Java. No, no, no. Abstract class is an old topic that was already there in CPP, nothing but C++, because already the abstract error message has come. But here the point is, what is that one? Babu, here I didn't mention. See, in C++, we are not mentioning like this, just like Java, we are not mentioning. Okay, in Java, we are mentioning like this. Why? Indication to user, indication to programmer. Babu, do not create object for that. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. But in C++, it is internal topic, it is internal concept. So that's what no need to provide. Okay, so one of the beautiful word I want to tell you right now, in C++, whatever the pure virtual function, please remember here, boss. Okay, I'm removing this. Whatever the pure virtual function in Java, please observe what function, boss. This is abstract function like this. Okay, idea purpose I'm giving you. Look at that one. Look at these two. Okay, so whatever the pure virtual functions in C++, okay, one type of fair and lovely or some other one what markup or some other one is modified and introduced in Java as what? Abstract methods. Both are same, there is no difference at all. But in C++ we are using virtual keyword. In Java we are using abstract keyword. That's all, as simple as that one. Pure virtual function, abstract method, both are declared methods, no body methods, no implementation. Okay, na? Same point, please observe, same point, okay? I give you that point here like this, just try to observe, try to understand here, all of you, boss. Let's check it out. Look at that one, see? This is, what do you say? Please understand. Let's try to find out. Abstract animal. That's all. This is topic in Java. This and this both compare and just try to understand. This one I'm talking about here. Please understand, okay? Just try to find out. Class animal, virtual void show. That is pure virtual function. This is abstract method. Both are same. When you come down here, of course, tiger and a cow, you imagine it's already there. You imagine like that. What I want to do, I'm writing animal of what? Yeah, like this, because we are not using pointers. Next, I have to go for tiger of what? T. Then what is that one? What a is equals to t, then what, a dot sound. I can write like this. I can write like this. Whereas here look at that one, please. Try to find out. See, observe, look at that. Tiger of t. Okay na? Tiger of t. Look at that. Tiger of t, ptr is equal to ampersand t, ptr dot so. Same as it is. In Java, we are not using pointers. I hope so. This session is useful to you, like virtual function and abstract methods. Okay, na? Pure virtual functions are abstract methods in Java. So, if you know C++, Java learning is a matter of 10 days. That's all. If you don't know C++, okay, you can able to learn Java, but half knowledge only. Then, if you know C++ and Java, you will be becoming an all-rounder in the company. So no company is ready to lose you because you know C++, you know Java, you know all the topics in depth. No company ready to lose you, boss. Okay, fine. So I hope so my session is understand to you, and I request you people, like any doubts are there, please like send to my mail. Okay, that is what, ramreddy.area@gmail.com. I'm just giving like this, just try to find out. So if your doubts are some other one, you can able to pass like this, that is what, ramreddy.area@gmail.com, like this. To this mail ID, you please send your queries or some other one, then I can able to communicate you people like directly. Okay, fine boss, thanking you all of you people. Have a good day. Thank you boss.